Welcome to the Interpretive Center at Cahokia Mounds State Historic Site, a tourism hotspot for thousands of people each year.
We get visitors from every state and over 80 countries. We have a lot of international visitors, and some people come with some knowledge of the site, but many don't.
That's why this Interpretive Center is so important, but it has obviously aged since it was built in 1988. So starting March 1st of 2022, this facility will get a bit of a facelift, from a new roof to a large $5 million mechanical renovation.
All new HVAC, new lighting throughout, new security system, and fire suppression. It's very exciting for us. It's something that has been in the works for the last 5 or 6 years.
It will also be replacing ceiling tiles in the theater, which has been closed a couple years to the public. Being able to use that resource again will be huge.
That's going to be really important because that's the first stop for people. We usually guide them to start in the orientation show, which is a 15-minute long video that kind of goes over the whole culture, what we know about the culture that lived here, and gives you a good basis for which to start touring the site, the gallery, and the grounds.
Site Superintendent Lori Belknap says to keep an eye on their website and social media pages because although the Interpretive Center will be closed, the northern parts of the site will remain open.
We're going to start offering some events that will stage over at Monk's Mound. So for instance, we'll have some walking tours, some hiking tours, some Monk's Mound tours led by interpretive staff.
The closure is expected to last at least a year, so be sure to share the news with your friends and stay tuned for more details on the Cahokia Mounds Interpretive Center.